Hello Hexicans! Welcome to this video tutorial where we will empower you to operate independently of other people hosting front-end websites for the HEX contract. By the end of this video, you will be able to use your local machine to host your own private web server. This way, you can mine HEX even if our beloved go.hex.com or other front ends go offline due to unforeseen circumstances. We will be using the files recently shared by Richard Hart on Twitter. Let's get started. This is a simple tutorial that even my computer-illiterate father should be able to handle. There is only one prerequisite software package that we need in order to run our server. This tutorial is pretty much cross-compatible with all other operating systems. In this case, we are using Windows. All necessary links will be in the description. First, we will install Go. Go, also known as Golang, is an open-source programming language created by Google in 2007. It's essentially the backbone of our web server. Once you're on the download page, select the operating system you are running, and your download will begin. Once downloaded, the installation is pretty self-explanatory. I have already installed Golang, so we will continue with the tutorial. Next, you will want to download the files from the Git repository I have linked in the description. Richard's tweet will also be there. You should never run just any software hosted in a repository unless you trust it. For Windows, we want to download the compressed zip file. You will then unzip the compressed folder and extract the HEX Server v1 folder to a directory of your choice. I chose my desktop. Now we will run our web server. To do so, we must open a command line interface. Navigate to the HEX Server folder within the CMD folder. Here, we can easily open the CLI in the current directory by shift-clicking. Hold down your Shift key and right-click any blank space in the folder, then click Open PowerShell window here. We can also do this by simply copying the directory, opening PowerShell or command prompt, and navigating to the right directory using the cd command shown. We're almost there. Now we will just run a single command, go run main.go. After installing the necessary dependencies, the server should start and a browser window should appear automatically. If it doesn't, you can simply type 127.0.0.1:5555 into the URL field of your browser. You're all finished now. Happy mining!